Does your child recognise digraphs in a word? Hi everyone, my name is Jo, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple trick on how you can help your child practice recognising digraphs in a word. So say for example we have taught this sound. This is the digraph E, and it means two letters make one sound. We don't say we say E. Now, your child might recognise the E sound when you put it in a pack or you point to it or they've written it down, but they may not always recognise them in a word. So we have to practice. So say, for example, I write this word down and I say to a child, can you tell me what this word says? And they say, b, e, and you say, can you spot a digraph? And the digraph is E. Yes, look, so we can underline the digraph to help them. And now they won't say b, they'll say b, e, b. Okay, and that helps them to spot just by putting a line under it or a dot, or you can put a box over it or change the colour, anything to help them recognise the digraphs in a word. So say for example then we can add a N to the word. You can say, can you spot the digraph? Yes, look, it's in the middle. E. Now we can sound it out. B, E, N, bean. Like I have been to the shop. Yeah, we don't say but n. You can trick them. You can say that sounds silly, doesn't it? But n. No. But what we can do then is we can change the first sound to a, and you can put those dots there if you want to. But after some time, they won't need it. We can sound it out. S, e, n, seen. I have seen something on the telly. Yes, so this is the E sound, and it helps the children to recognise the digraph in the word, because we can show this and they'll say E, but sometimes when we show it in a word, it doesn't always happen. So maybe I'll write this word. And they might look at it and think, tra. And you say, can you see the digraph? E. Now it's two letters that make one sound. Now you can help them sound it out. E, tree. Okay, so I hope that has helped you to practice with your child at home, just recognising digraphs in a word. And if you want more tips and tricks, follow my free community on the link below.